Most people think Excel dashboards are complicated, but they are actually very simple. In this video, I will show you how to create a clean Excel dashboard in just 5 minutes. Welcome to Arnova. Learn skills that make money online. Let's get started. Here is a simple dataset with product names and sales. Now imagine trying to understand this just by looking at the numbers. It's not very clear. So the first step is to summarize the data using a pivot table. Select all the data, go to the Insert tab, select Pivot Table and press OK. Now drag the product into Rows section and Sales into Values section. Now Excel instantly gave us total sales by product. Next, we turn this into a visual dashboard. Go to Insert tab and select Column Chart. And just like that, we have a visual representation of the data. Now let's make this look more like a dashboard. Small changes like this make your work look much more professional. And this is your basic Excel dashboard. Instead of raw data, you now have something that's easy to understand and present. This is exactly the kind of work freelancers do for clients, turning raw data into simple dashboards. So in just a few steps, we created a pivot table, added a chart, cleaned the layout, and built a simple dashboard. If you want to learn more practical Excel skills and freelancing skills, subscribe to Arnova.